Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I bring to you a very exciting video of our beautiful actress Mercy Aigbe celebrating her 44th birthday. She marked her birthday in a very elegant way with families, friends and colleagues, thanking God for the gift of life. She also prayed on God to bless her guests, saying that they made her feel special. On this very day that our beautiful actress marked her birthday, money rains on this day. She received millions of naira as cash gifts from friends. She also received surprise packages from friends as well. Join me to wish her a very happy birthday and more years of celebration. Let me share with you how the celebration went down. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos.
So today is my birthday, guys. By the way, happy new year and happy birthday to me. God, I am so happy. I'm so grateful to God. And guess what, guys? I got breakfast in bed from my one and only Ashabi. I am shy. This is such a pleasant surprise. Thank you, Shy. Thank you. God bless you. It's the 44th floor for me, guys. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful to God. Oh, yeah. Oh, Tutti. There.
Ladies and gentlemen, give me an L, give me an O, give me a V, and give me an E. We love you. Please put your hands together for us. Everybody say yeah.
A lot of birthday gifts, and this one right here is from This is so nice. So nice. Thank you, Abike. Thank you. I've lost my voice. I've been partying. It has been party after party. Ooh, thank you, Abike. You know I love you. God bless you. To the woman who loves us genuinely, happy birthday, Ruth and Abiba. I've been getting a lot of sweets, a lot of food, and this is from my babies. Oh, I got a blender. Ruth and Abiba, thank you. Thank you, girls. I love you. God bless you. And I got this one from Glam by Ama. I got this one from my big brother, Brother Sherif. I got this one from Mr. Tunde. And I just want to say a very big thank you for all the gifts I've been getting. So much love. I should be doing my birthday every day. God bless you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Susan Tibokado. Oh yeah, Oti Zeh. Oh, too much. Thank you, Susan. Thank you.